Welcome to this step-by-step guide on Calibration 1 on your system. In this video, we'll walk through the complete setup process, from homing the motors to aligning and leveling your sample, and preparing the system for accurate camera-to-touch probe to Z height registration. Let's get started. Before starting the calibration, the system needs to know the exact position of all moving parts. If the motors are already homed, the software will automatically skip this step and move forward. If they are not, press Home All Motors. The stage and all motorized components will return to their default origin positions. Once the homing process is complete, you're ready to continue. Next, place the empty test sample onto the stage. Make sure the sample is securely positioned and centered on the stage. This prevents errors during alignment and measurement. Now we'll position the sample under the camera for alignment. First, increase the stage velocity to move the sample more quickly. This is useful during coarse positioning. Once the sample is in view, adjust the brightness to get a clear image. Then, use the focus controls to bring the sample into sharp detail. Take a moment to check whether the sample is straight. If it appears rotated or tilted, align it properly. When the sample is straight and centered, press Next. In this step, we'll level the sample using the Touch Pro. Move the sample so it's directly under the Touch Pro. You'll now select 3 leveling points on the surface of the sample. These points should be located on flat, stable areas, ideally along a marked grid or a smooth surface. Once your points are selected, click Automatically Level Sample. The touch probe will measure the surface height at each point, and the system will automatically adjust the stage to ensure the sample is level. When leveling is complete, verify that everything looks even. Now we'll bring the sample into position underneath the touch probe. Slowly raise the stage until the touch probe is right above the diamond box, but do not touch it yet. Then press Next. The software will automatically detect when the sample is within range and will initiate a touch sequence. Once the touch is complete, the system will lower the stage slightly. You can now move on to the next step. With the diamond box contact complete, move the stage to bring the diamond box into view under the camera. If you're unsure of the diamond box's location, refer to your system's manual for guidance on your specific sample type. At this point, it's helpful to reduce the stage velocity for more precise movements. Once the diamond box is visible in the camera view, press the next button to have the software autofocus the camera. You can zoom in to examine the box or manually focus the image for maximum clarity. If the image is sharp and properly centered, press Next. You've now completed a full calibration number 1. Do not exit out of the calibration window. The system will now prepare the next set of parameters to begin calibration number 2.